Welcome back. Today I'm dolled up, neck down, because we're doing a transformation video, specifically a makeup transformation video. So technically I'm going to be trying a soft grunge makeup look. I think the term soft grunge is very frequently paired with fairy or like fairycore, so I am not exactly sure what the proper term is for this makeup look. I think there's different variations of soft grunge. Some people like to do a lighter look, some people like to do a heavier look, so today we're just going to do a mix of the different tutorials that I watched. Actually, before we get started, I'm just gonna take the ends of my eyebrows off. I feel like I do this in every other video of mine. It does kind of help when I do my makeup because I can alter the shape of my eyebrows a little bit more. And I'm using this tiny ass compact eyebrow powder mirror because I don't have a mirror besides in the bathroom. I don't want to do a makeup tutorial in the bathroom, so we're using this. I barely have any hair here, so I'm just gonna take off the very tip so that it's straight. I didn't change much on this side, but I have a pimple right there. Please ignore that, but I'm just gonna take the tip off of here. Cool, and now we have two eyebrows. Also, I did want to thank Luisa for sponsoring today's video. I do have quite a few new pieces on, and if you haven't heard of Luisa before, they are an affordable and sustainable jewelry brand. So I've actually worked with Luisa quite a few times already, but I love working with them because if you can see, their jewelry pieces are so beautiful. All their pieces start at $39, and their jewelry is also carbon neutral, which is amazing. So the first necklace that I have on is the Miche necklace, and this one I was so excited about because this is the one designed by Michelle Choi, and it has such a pretty emerald, I think, in the pendant. It's quite a long necklace, so I think it works really well in a set or paired with other necklaces. This one is actually one that I've shown you guys before. It's from the Ava set, so I won't go too much into that one. And this one is the BU necklace. And I absolutely love the little text that is there that says BU. I think it's so precious. I also have the mini rocks earrings on, and these earrings go with absolutely everything. I wear them to sleep. They're so easy to just have on all the time. So those are all the new pieces from Luisa, and I think they're currently having a summer sale, so everything's 20% off. So definitely check out the link down below that I have if you're looking for new jewelry. Also, I have a discount code, SarahPan10, I believe, for 10% off of your purchase. So thank you, Luisa, for sponsoring today's video, and let us continue with the makeup look. Please ignore this pimple. I have no idea where that came from. I already have BB cream on, so we're just gonna start off with the eyes. So since we're going with a slightly darker look, I'm gonna go with some darker tones. I do want to put a little bit of orange in there just because I want to keep some warmth in the look. I'm gonna go ahead and use this color as a base. And then I want to go in with a darker black, and I'm going to use my finger for this part. The look that I'm going for is a little bit heavier on the bottom, so I don't want to add too much dark shadow up top, so I'm just going to try to pat that in as close to my waterline as possible. And then I'm going to try to copy this on this other side. So that is what the top eyeshadow looks like. On the bottom, I'm going to do this trick that I saw on TikTok, which is you take a red or rosier shade and actually put it on the bottom. So that is a lot of that's a lot of red. I think I got too much on my fingers. Definitely look like a vampire. As always, trust the process, and hopefully this turns okay. And then on the other side, I had to put my glasses on to see myself in the viewfinder, but I think that looks okay. So we're gonna go in now with a brown shade and add a little bit more brown to the bottom so it's not just completely pink. That's the eyeshadow. It is very dark. I feel like for grunge looks, you typically don't want your eyes to be too snatched. The eyeshadow at the base kind of brings everything down a little bit more and neutralizes the shape of my eyes. Also looks like I have pretty bad eye bags, but we can ignore that. So from here, we're gonna do some eyeliner, and I have this thick pencil liner. In this case, I don't want to use a liquid liner because liquid liners are too sharp, and I kind of want this to just smear out a little bit. So let's go ahead and do that. I'm just lining as close to my waterline as possible. My battery died, but this is the eyeliner. As you can see, it's not super slanted upwards, it's just neutral and falls into place. So from here, I'm just gonna add some highlight to the corner of my eyes and also to my bottom waterline. So that's a lot, but I'm just gonna pat it out. And I'm also gonna line my waterline right here. And I'm gonna draw on some fake lashes because I have absolutely no under eyelashes. Oh my god, I'm doing terribly. usually not this bad at my makeup, but I think it's just like I think it's the small compact mirror that's throwing me off. The under eyelashes are just terrible. But for the next part of this, I'm gonna grab my blush. Usually for a blush, I just put it straight across. I think that's also what I did for my e-girl video, but this time we're just gonna take the blush and put it on the outer corner right here. So basically we're gonna cover everything from over here to the apples of my cheeks. So I'm actually gonna also get some near my eyelid, and that is very red. From the blurry field of vision that I have looking over there at my screen, my viewfinder, it just looks so red on this side, but we're just gonna keep doing this and do the other side as well. So now I have a very, very blushed out face. So I'm actually gonna hit a little bit of blush on my nose as well. Oh no. Or like, oh noes. The next part is actually just gonna be the eyebrows. We already shaved part of it off, so this is probably gonna be easier. I wanna keep my eyebrows kind of short, so I'm just gonna draw a little straight line up. It's, okay, I know it's like very different than what I usually do, but I think it's kind of cute. It's kind of cute a little bit. I do the same on this side. And it actually hit my pimples, so it doesn't look as sharp there, but we can pretend to ignore that. I'm gonna make the front a little bit thicker. This is the first time I've actually done pointy eyebrows like this, so it feels very foreign to me, but those are the eyebrows. The next part is lips, and I want to keep my lips kind of small and petite. I'm gonna take a lip liner and try to draw the shape first. Oh, that looks weird. So now that I have the shape, I'm gonna go in with a darker color. This is a Kylie lipstick that I splurged on like 2 years ago, and I really never use it, but I think it's a pretty dark, like brown chocolate shade. I'm gonna put this as my base because I think it's a little bit too neutral. That's the color. And I actually want it to be slightly darker, so I'm gonna go in with an even darker lip color. This is a sample that I got, and this color is called Vampira. It's like a burgundy red, so we're gonna put that on. It's actually not as dark as I wanted it to be. I don't like it. It looks more purple, and I was going for a dark, like rustic brown color. Okay, I'm trying to take some of this lip color off, and I'm actually gonna go in with a lip liner. I think this lip liner is very dried out. Okay, that lip liner was so dry and patchy, so I put some gloss over it, and it's missing a little bit of darkness, I think, still. So I'm gonna add some red to the inside of my lip. And lastly, we are not complete without our eyelashes. So let me just get this on. And actually the one thing we're missing is freckles, so I'm just gonna add some in. And a little bit of that. And we're done. So this is the final outcome. I'm gonna zoom out so we can see everything and talk about it a little bit. Let me just take my glasses off because it definitely changes everything. This is very dark, so it might just be more of a grunge makeup look instead of a soft grunge makeup look. I actually want to take my braids out because it might be wavy and that might look better with everything, but maybe it won't. So remember the braids if they do look bad. Honestly, I quite like this look. I think it would be like, this would be a great like sexy vampire look for Halloween. Yeah. Okay, so that's the video for today. I hope you guys enjoyed watching me be my face again. I think my eyelashes are getting caught in my glasses. But let me know if there's any other makeup look that you guys want me to try. ABG transformation is already on that list, so be on the lookout for that video. Otherwise, thank you to Ana Luisa for sponsoring today's video. Definitely check out the link down below if you guys are interested in affordable and sustainable jewelry. As always, thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you guys next time. Peace.